Welcome, today I am with Nike Air Force 1 Low Sketch and I'm going to show you how they look. So if you want to make like leggy check, you can just take a look on this video where we are going to show you step by step part of the shoe. So let's start, for example, from the right one. Oh, it's actually the left, so yeah, just start. So in this place you can also find the size tag. And that's all from the left. And the right one looks identical, so honestly I'm not sure if there is any sense to show you how it looks, but just show preview. It's just identical. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it looks. That looks the same. And I hope that this video gonna help you when you try to make a leggy check for these shoes. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.